He logging in on Zoom. I said go in the hall and you were going to call him. I'm not going to keep bringing him in. Is Mr. Robertson is Mr. McLean still in the hallway?
Judge, Mr. Officer Craft stepped out, so I'm not sure. You want me to check in? Here we go. Hold on.
Ooh,
Is Mr. McLean still in the hallway?
that's not good.
He's not in the hallway no more.
Why? Why is he not in the hallway?
He said his ride was coming, Your Honor, and he was not going to miss it.
This with Mr. McLean until he find out this warrant is getting ready to go out for his arrest.
I'll just call him right now.
No, he keep on coming back. I want to talk to the person who's driving that vehicle. And then he's going to keep coming back and he can't hear us. And then this is what I got to put up with. This is what I have to put up with. I'm going to remove him again so his phone can be free. He's not even looking at the screen half the time. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
Okay, so he's trying to answer.
Okay, tell him hello.
Hello?
Mr. McLean, this is Attorney Stevenson. Are you able to hear me, sir?
Yes, I sure can.
Okay,
Okay.
ask Mr. McLean who's driving that vehicle that he's in.
Yes, I sure can.
Mr. McLean?
What's going on?
Mr. McLean,
Yes, ma'am.
the court wants to know who's driving the vehicle you're riding in, sir.
Mr. Rich from Team Wellness.
All right, ask Mr. Rich from Team Wellness, why on God's green earth did he pick Mr. McLean up from court before Mr. McLean's court hearing?
Mr. Rich?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. Rich. This is Attorney Janice Stevenson. You're a driver with Team Wellness?
Yes.
Sir, did you know that Mr. McLean had court this morning?
Yes. He was there?
Right. The court wants to know why you picked Mr. McLean up from the courthouse when he still had court.
There's not an answer.
The judge wants to know why you picked Mr. McLean up from court prior to his seeing the judge.
He called me. He told me he had it on Zoom. So I came back. Well, was coming to get him. Then he called me and said they called him in the court. So I didn't come.
Is indicating that he got a call
Sure.
from Mr. McLean that said he would be going to court on Zoom, which is why you picked him up.
And so now he's going to go to court in a moving vehicle.
So Mr. Rich, Mr. McLean cannot appear in front of the judge from a moving vehicle. Are you able to stop the vehicle?
Yes, it's stopped right now.
Okay. All right.
And then is he going to connect to Zoom? Because I'm going to have some words from Mr. McLean. Is he going to be able to connect to Zoom? Because now he can't even connect to the Zoom. This was ignorant.
So Mr. McLean, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So you have to be able to connect with your video and your audio.
Okay, how do I do that? I'm going
Exactly. That's why he should have stayed in court. Tell him that's exactly why he should have stayed in court.
put in my ID number in.
Mr. McLean, hold on one second, sir. I cannot instruct you as to how to make your device connect you to Zoom. So you really, if you don't know how to come to court on Zoom, you have to come to court in person. Yes, sir. Are you able to return to the 36th District Court?
I got shorts on and a short sleeve shirt.
Just one second. He was improperly attired. That was the problem.
No, that wasn't the problem, because I specifically indicated that I was going to let him come to court because he came from Team Wellness.
So the judge would, because of the fact that you're over at Team Wellness, Mr. McLean, the judge will let you come to court. She'll make an exception to her dress code policy because
Ask
you're at
Mr.
Team
McLean,
Wellness.
why did he call for his ride?
So I gotta show back up.
And the judge wants to know why you called for your ride to pick you up rather than waiting in the hallway.
Counter that I had to Zoom, and then I was on Zoom, and then I went back in because it was taking forever.
Okay. So Mr. McLean, hold on a second. So when Officer Crafts directs you to wait in the hallway, you kind of have to wait in the hallway, all right?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
So I gotta go back.
Should he return now, Your Honor?
I mean, we're going to be finished in a little while.
How long would it take you guys to get back to the courthouse?
3 minutes, 2 minutes. I got 3 minutes.
3 minutes to return to the courthouse, Your Honor.
You said 30?
Three.
Okay. Can he come back to the court, please, and come up the stairs and wait like we told him to wait?
So, Mr. McLean, you need to, thank you, Mr. Rich. Mr. McLean, you do need to return to the 36th District Court, go back to courtroom 339 and follow the officer's instructions, okay? Wait where Mr. Crafts tells you to wait patiently, sir, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Rich.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Blessed assurance. Let's try Miss Wilson again.
Okay.
Has lost its appeal. Zoom court has lost its appeal. We're going to be coming back in person. This is case number.
Judge, it's the first scheduling of the pretrial conference. I'm going to ask the court to adjourn the pretrial conference to give the complaining witness one more opportunity to appear. And Your Honor, for the court's information, the second defendant was scheduled for August 17th for an adjourned pretrial conference.
Who was the co-defendant on Wilson?
Miss Haley,
Oh, okay.
under 830.
So did Ms. Stevenson, did you all represent Ms. Haley?
So you can see Ms. Wilson is the defendant in this case. You can just feel the vibe from looking at it.
I have, my note indicates that Miss Haley should be here as well. Just 1 second, Judge.
Both here. I already did Ms. Haley. Ma'am, put your phone.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Just
Okay.
don't text and stuff while we in court.
Mm. Okay, thank you for that information, Your Honor. In that, Ms. Haley was defendant number 2. Our normal practice to request that the court appoint counsel for for subsequent defendants. So we usually take defendant number 1, Your Honor. So I will leave that to the court's discretion as to which of these defendants we should represent.
I was waiting to see. I was just waiting. I was wondering if Ms. Wilson was going to unmute herself and apologize to the court.
I'm sorry. I didn't. I just picked my phone up. I have an interview to be at. I'm not going to be able to make it. So.
And apparently you blaming that on me.
No, ma'am.
Well, your attitude sucks. You talking to me random. You talking to me like I'm on the street. You talking to me like I ran into you in the neighborhood. You talking to me like I'm not Judge Lenise Bryant. So the fact that you scheduled an interview on the same day that you had court, that sounds like a poor choice and a bad decision. That sounds like a poor choice and a bad decision.
I did not schedule
what you're not going to do is come into my courtroom and be disrespectful. That apology was, I guess I shouldn't have even mentioned it because it certainly wasn't sincere. So let me just help you with something. You can continue to come to my courtroom with a bad attitude, and it's only going to work out poorly for you. It's not going to work out poorly for me. It's only going to work out poorly for you. So when one has court then you have to understand that court could take, I'm not even going to continue because she is really on her way to contempt. She is really on her way to contempt. So let's go ahead and let her come in person. Okay. We're going to come in person. So the court is going to adjourn Ms. Wilson's pretrial conference to next week. She's going to come in person. I'm going to set the matter for 8:34. She's going to come in person on let's see, today. Oh, that's today. So we're going to come in person on Monday, July the 24th. And we're going to come at 8:34.
Your Honor.
24th. At 8:34. Failure to appear is going to result in a bond being revoked, court issuing a capias, and the court is going to set the bond in the amount of $5,000 cash surety plus a GPS tether. Is there anything else for the record?
My mother has an appointment on Monday. She just had knee surgery, and I have to drive her at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, well, I mean, we all have to make choices. Is there anything else for the record? Because we wouldn't be dealing with your mother's surgery if you was respectful today. So if you didn't come on my court today with your stanky attitude, if you didn't come on my court today with your disrespectful disposition, if you didn't come on my court today with your rude behavior, then it wouldn't even be an issue about your mother's surgery. Wouldn't even be an issue about your mother's surgery. So you're rude and disrespectful, Miss Wilson. You're rude and disrespectful. And the fact that you're talking right now shows me how rude and disrespectful you are. You have no contriteness about yourself. You have no humility about yourself. You're simply rude and disrespectful to the court. But there's never going to be a day that I allow you to come to my job and be rude and disrespectful to me without consequence. You're rude. You're disrespectful. I didn't charge you with the crime. I didn't set your court date for today. I showed up for work. And when I got up this morning to show up for work, I didn't say, let me put on a robe so Miss Wilson can be rude and disrespectful. Ms. Stevenson, I'm going to send Ms. Wilson back to the breakout room because if she say one more thing to me in her tone, she going to jail. So I'm going to let her tell you about her mother, because if she says one more thing to me in that tone, she's going to jail.
Okay.
There is an appropriate and respectful way to ask the court. If you turn your head from me one more time, I'm going to hold you in contempt. I promise you. I make a promise to you.